opening of Jungle Fun Park today. Oh, the jungle bus is coming. Yes, it's coming round the bend. We'll have snacks and lots of fun. Adventure. This is it. Jungle Fun Park.
According to the map, the canopy coaster is right inside. According to this map, we qualify for the group discount.
I'm not sure that applies, sir.
Nonsense! A deal's a deal.
Woohoo! This is amazing! Look at me! I'm flying! Oh dear, it's so high!
Oh, sorry about that.
Whoa, nice one.
Eat my dust, guys! Oh no, oh dear.
Here you go, save the best ones for you.
Thanks, Miko. This watermelon is amazing too.
According to the map, the next show is at 3.
Look at this one. It makes me look so fat.
Interesting. The structural integrity of this reflection is highly distorted.
Hello, it's nice to meet you. What a magical night. The stars are shining bright. Give a big cheer for dreams coming true.
All right, everyone, settle down. We're fine. Bartholomew, let's see what we're dealing with.
What's up, guys? We are live at the Neon Carnival.
And I've got the perfect route plan to hit every ride before midnight. The journey ahead is long, but together, there is nothing we cannot achieve.
Let's come back tomorrow.